So y'all, these are some bunching onions that I got out of my garden. I kind of mowed all of my bunching onions down. I'm gonna let them grow back. I left the roots in. But now I can't eat all these at the same time. So I am going to put them in my dehydrator. And this will be the first time I'm dehydrating these. So the first thing I'm gonna do is cut these down. Okay, y'all, so I got a nice little like bowl here full. You can see I cut them into, some of them a little bit larger, but they should be about like 1/2 inch pieces because I know that they're going to sink down or dehydrate down. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put them onto the dehydration trays. Okay, so I have my trays loaded up. I was able to put them on 2 trays, and I know that they're gonna go down again to probably about nothing, but it's okay. Now I have some extra, I don't know what these called. It's like a mesh covering that you put your food on, or you can just use some of your other tray covers. And I'm gonna put these on top because what happens sometimes in the dehydrator is once things start dehydrating down, they get really light and they'll start flying around. So I learned this from the old Alabama gardener. Y'all, he's a real OG gardener. You should check him out. So let's load these up into the dehydrator. All right, so I only have the onions in here. Now I've seen people and they usually will put their dehydrator out on the porch because of the onion smell. Y'all, I'm in Florida and it's very humid outside. So I think it would be kind of, it wouldn't serve me to put it outside, and I don't think the onion smell is gonna bother me. We'll find out though. I also only have the bunching onions in here, so I stagger the trays, and I'll probably be adding some more stuff later. So the next thing I want to do is to set the temperature, and you can see it has vegetables here at 125. So I'll be putting this on 125 in a moment. And also I'm going to go ahead and put the door on. All right. So also, you all, this is an Excalibur food dehydrator, and I'll put the exact model that I have. I got this off of Amazon. This is not a sponsored video. I purchased it myself, and it is 9 tray. So I went ahead and I got me a dehydrator a few months ago because I knew that sometimes I'm gonna have to store some of the food that I'm actually growing. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this started. There'll be a link for this particular dehydrator below. So this is what it's looking like, and you'll see, and the pieces are very crunchy. I don't know if y'all can hear that or not. And then I'm just gonna put them in the jar the way that they are. Of course, you can crumble them up with your hand. You can see where some got a little crumbly here. Or you can, I'm just gonna store it in this little jar right here, put the lid on it, and keep it next to the stove so I can just throw it in and into anything that I'm cooking. So please make sure you give this video a thumbs up for some dehydrated bunching onions, you all. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. I'll have a link to the dehydrator that I have here as well. And with that, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.